Have you ever wondered what it's like to work as an in-store designer at IKEA? Hi, my name's Georgia and I've worked for IKEA for 7 years. Follow me for a day in the life of a visual merchandiser. Now, my day normally starts a little something like this, making sure to take the stairs to get in the extra steps and saying good morning to our lovely security as I enter. Now, the team here starts at around 7 a.m, but I was making sure I got in early here to get in my caffeine hit. Straight into our staff restaurant, grab a cup, and I'm opting for an espresso this morning so the coffee goes straight in. Now, everyone has arrived, so it's straight into a team meeting just to see that everyone is okay for the day, who needs help, and what we're all up to. Then it's out onto the floor to pick up where we left off the day before. On my way out the back, I always make sure to stop by the children's department because look at these little guys. It's such a fun way to start my morning. Hey, buddy. And then, of course, as you're heading out the back, you always run into a coworker. This is Rizal. Good morning. He is one of our interior designers, but more on that later. Then I grab my toolbox, which is, of course, complete with Allen keys. I know you're all thinking it. And then I head straight out onto the shop floor. Today, the whole team is working on our store entrance area, which is all about smart storage solutions. And there is nothing as satisfying as pulling back the tape on a painted wall and seeing that crispy line. Now, it does take a full team of visual merchandisers to implement an area like this, and as you can see, visual merchandisers do everything. Everything from planning right the way through to implementing, even all the small details like cable management. It was a hot day, so here I am having a little Beyonce moment before getting straight back into it. Now, for a space like this, it normally takes around a week to plan and then about 4 days to implement as a full team because there's just so many little details. But our favorite part is definitely the implementation. We just have so much fun. And just like that, it's 9 o'clock, which means curtains up, time to make the space nice and safe for the customers, which is perfect because I am starving and it is breakfast time. So into the staff restaurant, and probably should make some healthy choices, but I'm very tempted by the hot food this morning. So sausages and beans for me, and an apple for good measure. And here's my brekkie. Straight after breakfast, a girl's got to check her emails before jumping onto the modeling computer to finish off a plan I've been working on. Now, it's a very exciting top secret plan for an upcoming collaboration. And here I am picking some paint colors and finishing off this incredible 3D model. I can't believe it. It's time to eat again and there's so many delicious options. So here I am. I've opted for a chicken salad and a quick chat, and then I'm into a creative direction for an upcoming room setting. And I just love these meetings. And final meeting for the day, I'm actually presenting all of the upcoming spaces that will be changed around the store to all of the co-workers that need to know. Just like that, my day is over. Time to grab my bag, head out, say goodbye to all the smiling faces, quick clock out, and finish with this wonderful quote. Most things still remain to be done. It truly is a glorious future. Thanks for watching.